Hey there, I'm Ugu from TechCornerTV, and today we have another mailbag day. So without wasting any more time, let's start unpacking stuff. Let's move this out of the way. And we will start with this small one. What we have here. Okay, this is an adapter for the top of the tripods, for lightning tripods, to adapt, for example, for a camera or something like that. Yeah, it seems very robust. Yeah, I bought two of them. It's from Resin. Yeah, some more studio equipment. And yeah, take this out of the way and move on. Let's try these big ones. As you know, I recently bought a Resin 3D printer. I will not open all of this. And I ordered some, let me see how this open. Okay, it's like this. I ordered some resin in promotion. It's 2 bottles of 1 liter or 1 kilo. Whoa, this is a big bottle. Yeah, for 20 euros. And this is 1 kilo of white UV resin to test on my 3D printer, the Resin 3D printer. This is a big bottle. I bought 4 of them, and yeah, seems okay. I didn't test it yet. I will do a review on it. And yeah, on this one, I think this is one of those packages that bring a lot of package inside. So we have 4 new package. Okay, I already have here 4 new package for opening. Let's see what we have inside of this. Okay, I will move these ones out of the way, and let's start with this one. Okay, so in this package we have 2 oscilloscope connection cables, and I think this cable doesn't have the place for a ring. The ones I ordered, I'm almost sure that they have the place for the ring. Next one, let me see what's in here. I think this is, yeah, this is studio equipment. Okay, I have here a tripod, extension tripod. It's from Ulanzi. It comes with an adapter for mobile phones, also from Ulanzi. Yeah, just a normal adapter. You can do it like this. And yeah, this is a little banged up from the travel. Not a very good packing. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, I already have a few of these tripods. I bought another one because they are always being needed. This one is a bit small. The others are more robust, but it has a nice feature. Let me see if I can make it. Okay, it has a nice feature that will allow you to put the light a little bit higher, and yeah, it has some height. So yeah, I think it will be a nice addition. This is metal, I believe, or plastic. It's plastic. That's a shame. It should be metal. But anyway, seems a nice product. It was not very expensive. Something like 10 euros, I believe. So yeah. Another one. And let's see what's inside of this. Okay, more studio equipment. I decided to change my quick release adapters. The ones I have are not, the system is different from this one. This, you have a screw and it should go in here. Well, the screw, this one has to be a little bit tight. Yeah, we have to screw it up, and after it should enter in here. Well, that's the idea. Okay, for this next one, a few mailbags ago I decided to buy a spectrum analyzer, a small one, just to test, to see the basics of the spectrum analyzer work, how they work and everything else. Let me see if I can find the place to open this. And yeah, and also decided to order this RF signal generator to be able to test the spectrum analyzer and to test well, all the functions. And yeah, it has a small display. I will do a review on this one also on the electronics channel. And in the box we have, let me just change, we have here the spectrum, the RF signal generator. I have here several options. Maybe I will do a enclosure for this, a small USB Type-C cable, and we have also a power cable to connect here. So yeah, I don't have right now anything to show you how this works. It's on the workbench, the spectrum analyzer, but I think this will be a nice addition to my workbench. So I left this one on purpose to the end. I ordered this on eBay. It came from the USA. And this is a small part to allow me, let me open. As I was saying, this is a small part to allow me to test the true speed of the oscilloscopes. This is a fast signal generator from some guys named Electro Resales, and the name of this part is Time Domain Reflectometer. So I will open this. Give me a second. Okay, and what we have here is this small part, and the idea behind this is to connect this to oscilloscope, and with that you power with some USB Type B. And the idea behind this is to create a fast enough signal. I think the rise time of this is on the picoseconds, and that will allow to do the math and calculate the real bandwidth of the oscilloscope. So yeah, it will be a nice addition. I will do a revision of all my oscilloscopes using this small device. I ordered some parts also to build one myself, based on some projects there are on the internet. But to be safe, I ordered also this one. It was about $15, $18, 15 euros. And yeah, I think this will be a nice addition to the workbench. And pretty soon I will start reviewing all the oscilloscopes I have, and to measure the bandwidth based on the rise time of the signal. That's it for today. If this video was useful in some way to you, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you do, please don't forget to hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified every time I launch a new video. That's it. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next time. Thank you.